Hey everyone, Sophia here, My Great Challenge, part 3 of the garage. I'm here with Mom, who doesn't want to be filmed today because she just finished gardening. I just finished, well, I'm in the middle of restoring an antique quilt, so you'll see that in a future video. It's going to take, obviously, a few days. We are going to empty out this garage, build new shelf, well, assemble new shelf, do U-shapes, and then we're going to bring back all the boxes by chronological order. The oldest one in the back, the new ones in the front. Welcome back. If you don't know, this is where I store all my stock for my Etsy shop. So these are the things that I've not sold yet, and I've sold almost 1,200 items, and I have about 270 boxes that are unsold. So it moves, but you know, not super fast. I sell stuff every week. I'm not worried about the stock, basically. But it needs to be better organized, because right now, if I show you, I have 1,500 mixed with 1,300 mixed with 900 mixed with 500 mixed with 600. So yeah, it takes a while to find the box. Okay, this week somebody purchased something that was in the 1100 numbers, and I had a hard time finding it. So we're gonna empty them, and then we're gonna reassemble or reposition the shelves. And then unfortunately it's raining, so we're gonna use the clean part of the garage that we did the last time. And Mom's over there, and she doesn't want to be filmed. We're just gonna stack them over here while we do this. Okay, let's get started. So all we're doing first is taking out the boxes and moving them to the other side.
Okay.
And they're fairly light. Most of them are decorative items. It's only like a few that are very heavy, like crystal vases, china sets, things like that. Quick update, we are cleaning as we go. We got one shelf moved out, and here are the boxes, so you can see a little bit clearer what I got in here. Found on the street, I'm gonna sell it. This one too, it's a 1905 or Edwardian, whatever you want to call it, rocking chair. Needs some love. I gotta fix it, but yeah, so the goal is to move the furniture a little bit over there, and then all the shelves are gonna be on this side. I cleared out some furniture. We'll put that over here right now. This is an authentic Rita 15th bench. I had two. This is the one that's the most damaged. The first one was I sold it initially. I asked for $110, and I sold it for 80 bucks. And then this one has right here an area where whoever had it tried to repair the rows, and they didn't finish it. So that's something that I want to do at a little time. It's been reupholstered. It was purchased at ABC Carpet and Home.
Hop là-bas. 1, 2 et 3. Hop, 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 hop. Et voilà. Pas besoin que tu bazardes, Sophie.
I have so many of those cards. Look at this piece, isn't it nice?
Des trucs totalement inutiles. Voilà. Vous voyez.
Alright. There's this stuff underneath it. Okay. Nice mirror I can sell.
Quoi?
A full punch bowl that I found on the street. With its ladle. Look at this fabulous thing. So you're supposed to have little hooks, and you hook these on, and then here's the ladle. But there's different designs. So I need to figure out which one goes with this, and then let go of the other designs. See, these are all the designs. Anyway, punch bowl, 1950s, 60s. Mom's discovering all the stuff I had in there, including that awesome butcher
Tu vois là,
book.
par exemple.
It's an island with drawers,
Ouais.
but it
Ah,
needs
ça,
to
c'est-
be rescrewed because it's.
Tu vois, regarde, regarde, tu vois, c'est d'en bas que ça bouge, tu vois?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
C'est d'en bas.
So
Je crois pas que ce soit là, c'est en bas.
we gotta put it upside down and we gotta rescrew it. But anyway, 1930s chimney set. It's gotta be cleaned.
Ça c'est mon préféré, ça.
Mom likes this. I've had this for
Ça, c'est-
years. It's an umbrella stand.
Ça,
And
c'est
then
obligé.
we got this Lennox lamp. Okay, I just need to rewire it. What else we got in there? Because some of you wanted to see the treasures, right? Okay, so I have these.
Bon, alors ça c'est des tableaux, c'est un cadre.
This I have not put up for sale yet.
Je sais
C'est
pas
pas
si
en vente encore.
Hein?
Je les ai pas mis en vente, ceux-là.
Tu les as pas mis en vente?
No, this one's all new. Yeah,
Ça c'est des narcisses, ça c'est
it's gotta be fixed.
des orchidées. Ça vaut rien du tout.
Mom's not impressed. Oh, that's mine. Ça, c'est à moi, ça.
C'est
That's, that's the rest of my flooring for my bedroom.
merveille. C'est toujours Batman, hein?
Yes. It's my
Je vais
bag.
pas le mettre là-dessus.
Yes.
Ils sont tous ensemble.
We should go in the basement.
Encore,
I guess Mom's never seen them. I had the whole series framed professionally back in the days.
attention, c'est décassé.
Yeah, and this one's broken. These are the original ones. That's trash. Alright, these are wire shelves I purchased two. Because clearly I had run out of shelves. Try to build those real quick. And you know what, they're not really large, but the shelving. And they click-clack like this, so that's the width. Alright, bringing it. Goes right here. Against the wall. Alright. I'll have to figure it out.
It needs a break.
500.
Ouais,
That's like the first year.
700. Ouais. 700.
Could have just said anything before 1100.
700.
700. Alright, this is all 1100. This is 1200. 1200.
1200.
Oh, here's another 1100.
1200.
1200. Well, that's it. We're finished. And it's all organized. So what we did was put the oldest one in the back and the newest one in the front. And this is the surplus, which is basically the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You know, that's gonna go down, and as the shelf's empty, we're gonna move things around. So all the 800s, the 700s, 900s are here. Then you move to the 1000s, goes down to 1100. Then all the 12 and 13 are here. Then it goes to 14, 14 and 15, and then this is all 15, all 1600s. Okay, and then a little bit more of the 1600, and now we're in the 700, 1700. Okay, so done. I did declutter a bit. These are lamps I gotta sell. Let me see, we put the old door here as a table. All the frames are here. Chairs I gotta sell here. This is supposed to go to the front porch. And all of this is going back to the curb. So I just need to bring this one to the front porch. And this is what the garage looks like, okay? Probably the most organized it's looked in quite a long time. And at least when we're looking for something, we can find it right away. Alright? That makes shipping much easier. Street find, all of these street finds. Street find, well, pretty much everything you see in here is street find, because whatever I got in the house, I'm keeping, not selling. Alright? So on this side, we still have a passage. Mom doesn't want to be on camera today, guys, okay? The crusher or the power jet is here. This is still organized from the last time. We got the lawnmower here. And the snowblower right here. We didn't put the other one up for sale yet. And then the bikes, they may or may not go up on the wall or ceiling, but yeah, that is done. Whew. I feel good about this. This was a good idea. It was a long time overdue, but it's a good idea, and it looks much better. Yeah, that's it. So my next video is probably going to be the beginning of that quilt restoration. It's an antique quilt that, wait until you see it, it's really bad. I don't know if I can save that quilt. It's from the 1930s, and I don't know if I can save it, okay? But it's an heirloom, so I'm gonna give it 110%. I will see you next time. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe right here in the corner. Hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post another video that's this type of content or otherwise. Find me on Facebook and Instagram at My Great Challenge, and visit my Etsy shop, Frenchy and Tubby. The link is down below. This is all antique and vintage decorative items, crystal, china, teacups, pottery, you name it. It's all in there. All right, I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.